Hi guys, this is LovelyAma. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I don't remember, but I did a video on hair porosity. Okay guys, and in this video I said that I was going to give tips out. Like, I didn't wanted the video to be that long, so I said I was going to give tips on how to maintain, let's say, like that, your hair if you have low porosity, high porosity, or medium porosity. So I'll put the video, the link, or up there, so that you guys can click and watch it before you continue with this video. So as I told you all in, I think in my last video, I'll also put the video there. I told you all that I'm coming to Sweden. I'm going to vacation in Sweden. So now I'm in Sweden. That's why the background is a little bit different. I'm in Sweden at my auntie's place. And guys, it's so hot in Sweden, guys. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let's go on with the video. So today's video, I'm going to give you tips on low porosity, hair tips on low porosity, high porosity, and medium porosity. Okay, so for low porosity, you have to do the lock method. Liquid lock stands for liquid, cream, and oils. Okay, so you have to do the lock method. It helps to maintain your hair, to let your hair grow, and to keep moisturizing your hair. Okay, and you have to, if you have low porosity, you have to shampoo monthly with lukewarm water. Yeah. Then you have to apply products on damp hair. When your hair is wet, you have to apply the product so that when it gets dry, your hair can absorb the product. Okay, you have to steam your hair once a month. You have to co-wash weekly with lukewarm water. You have to deep condition your hair weekly. Deep condition is so important for our hair, guys. You have to know what's good for your hair. You can do avocado deep condition, mayonnaise deep condition, banana, egg, honey condition. There are lots of conditions to put in your hair. You have to do it because it's good for your hair. Okay, you have to use light oils on your hair. Light oils like argan oil, jojoba oil, and grapeseed oil. They are good for low porosity hair. And you have to cover your hair with bonnet when you are going to sleep at night. Don't sleep with your hair not covered, okay, at night when you're going to sleep. And for high porosity, you have to clarify your hair monthly. You have to use heavy butters, cream, and oils on your hair. You have to do protein treatment more often, okay, if you have high porosity hair. You have these two. You have to deep condition your hair often as well, okay. And you have to use aloe vera and apple cider vinegar before you moisturize your hair. The apple cider vinegar, you can raise it out of your hair when you apply it on your hair. You can raise it out. As for the aloe vera, you can put it in your hair. You can do aloe vera water, put it in your hair before you apply butter and oils on your hair. It helps it to grow, to maintain the moisturize, and the aloe vera is very good for your hair. Okay. And for the medium porosity hair, you guys have to avoid protein, too much protein. Like, you have to avoid protein in your daily treatment regimen, because protein is not good for, it's not that good for medium porosity hair. And you have to deep condition your hair as well too, okay? And you have to moisturize your hair. Moisturize and nourish your hair. Moisturize and nourishing our hair, it's good for every hair type, okay? But you don't have to moisturize too much. So hope you get the tips, and this is all the tips I have for high, low and medium porosity. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. See you in my next video. If you've not subscribed, please do it now. Thanks very much and have a blessed day, okay? See you in my next video. Bye.